Hi there, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be learning using dynamic data in PHP. Previously, we learned about printing our first HTML code in the web browser, and it was very interesting. In case you have not watched the tutorial, you can check the link below. Okay, the video link is below in the description. Okay, so you can check it so that you can watch the video and follow up. All right, so in this tutorial we're going to be learning how to use dynamic PHP code. Okay, this code is not even actually for beginners, but I just want to show you how powerful PHP is. Okay, let's just save this file. Okay, let's save this file as let's save as that. You hold Ctrl and Shift in your keyboard and S. Okay, once you hold that, you can save this. Let's just save this as let's call it blank.php. Okay, and then we can rename this current file. You right click on it and then click rename. Okay, let's call it dynamic.php. Okay, we're going to take this up and we're just going to write our exclamation mark and hit the tab button to create this file for us. Okay, so we're going to create a very wonderful stuff now. See, PHP is very powerful. This example I'm just going to give you now is going to show you how powerful PHP is. Normally with our HTML, we can just create our h1 tag and then let's write it hello student. Hello student. Let's click this more button here, live preview. Okay. Alright, so it's coming in. I think we had a little problem. Okay, we have to click it again so that it will load. Okay, please bear with me. Yeah, exactly. As you can see now, we have our hello student. We have HTML. Okay, please don't mind this ad that is popping up now. It's just a distraction. Let's just forget about it. Okay, so assuming we want to create like 10 pages with this same heading that will show us a hello student. In our HTML, we can just copy this and then paste it in our 10 pages, and when we want to edit it again, we can go to those 10 pages and we keep on writing to edit all of them. But PHP makes things very easy for us. We can just change this once. I'm gonna be introducing one of the PHP features, which is variables, but don't worry about this, don't get confused. Okay, I'm gonna just show you stuff. I'm not actually taking you on that. I'm just gonna show you stuff on how to do it. Okay, so let's just say we write our first PHP code, PHP, and then we define a variable here, and let's just call it title, because we are actually working with title, and we say equal to, and then the equal sign and the quotes, and then don't forget about this semicolon, because it's very powerful. Okay, don't forget to write it, because it's going to give you error if you don't write it, because it tells PHP that hey, Apache, this is where our code ends. Okay, so let's just copy this, let's cut it out and then paste it here. So that's it. As we paste this here, we're now going to call it here. We'll now say PHP, and then let's just save this and then look at our web browser. As you can see, we are not seeing anything here because we have not actually done anything. Okay, we just defined a variable here and there is nothing we're going to write here. So we're going to echo this particular variable now. We're going to echo it, okay? So we're going to write title, and our semicolon to show that this is where the command ends, okay? So in all those 10 pages that we created, for example, we're just going to copy this and then paste in those 10 pages. But we're going to be saying, oh, it's not just that same thing that we're going to copy this and then paste it in all those 10 pages. But yeah, it's true and it's not true, okay? So why it's not true is because this title here now, assuming we want to change code, let's just check whether it actually works. As you can see, it's now showing hello student, but we are actually printing title here, okay? But it's showing us hello student here. So we can actually make some changes here. Maybe we want to write hello student, welcome to this page, okay? I say welcome. Okay, let's just leave it at welcome. Hello student, welcome, and we save it. Once we save it, as you can see, it's now changed to hello student, welcome, and it's going to change in all those 10 pages that you created, okay? So as you can see now, we just did this with changing this in this particular page. We're actually going to include this in all those pages that we want this title to appear, okay? So once we include it, we can change this once and boom, it's changed in all those pages. This is very interesting and very good of PHP, and this shows how dynamic PHP is. And trust me, PHP is very dynamic. This is just the little thing that you can do with PHP. There are so many more that you can do. And here now, I'm just gonna teach you about this one, okay? I'm just gonna teach you about this, and in the next video we're gonna do more and more things with PHP, okay? So this is just an example. Don't get confused, okay? I'm just showing you the things that you can do with PHP and how good it is. Let me say if I want to copy this multiple times and save it, and we'll go back to our page. As you can see here that we have it, and we can just change it, assuming that we pasted all of this in different pages, and then call it with a function called in our PHP files, each of them, okay? We can just change stuff here. Maybe we can call this world, hello world, welcome to our page, welcome to our page, okay? And we save it. As you can see, all of them change once. You don't need to start writing it one by one, okay? But if it's just HTML, let's take this off and make this over too. Let's say H1 and then write hello student, and then we save it and we duplicate it. How I did this duplicating stuff is that I held the control key and then D, control D, control D, control D. That will duplicate this particular line, okay? So this is one of the reasons why I love brackets. If you're using brackets to follow me, okay, just click this button, the live preview button, and it's going to open automatically in the web browser, and you're actually gonna love this, okay? Once you click the button, it's gonna open automatically, and once you save, it reloads the web browser automatically. In case you need to save it, just go to File, Project Settings, and copy this URL and paste it, okay? Just say http //localhost /demo. This demo is the particular folder we are working with, okay? And then you click done. And once you click this button, it's going to open automatically on the web browser, and boom, that's nice, okay? So since this is HTML, we want to work with this, you can just write in HTML, okay? Say hello world, and once you save it, you can go to our browser and see that that one have changed, okay? And we can still do the same for all of them. Hello world, and here hello world. As you can see, this is very stressful. This is what you can just do with changing just this hello world here, and everything is going to be changed automatically. You can just write it. Let's write our h1 and then open our PHP tag. Sorry, oh, I can get that. Open our PHP tag and then end it. We're gonna just echo title, okay? Echo title. Once we echo this title, you can echo it multiple times, okay? And just go to our browser and see it. That's very nice. This is the least I can tell you in this tutorial. In the next video, we're gonna do more nice stuff, okay? I just saved this file as dynamic.php and save yours with that same name, okay? We are going to be creating multiple files, and in case when this page is going to be filled up, don't get confused, okay? So that's it. We're going to end this video here, but before that, we're going to do something, okay? We're going to do something very interesting. Let's go to youtube.com. Let's wait so that it's loads, okay? So let's go to youtube.com, and then in the search box you can go there and then type Codegitate tutorials. Make sure you like this channel, hit the subscribe button, you subscribe, and so that once we post our new updates, you can see the notification and then you don't miss out any tutorial, okay? Make sure you subscribe, okay? So I'm gonna stop here now and see you in the next video.